Okay, recording's running. Let's try that good morning again. Good morning, everybody. Hey, today's date is October 17th, 2023. It's a Tuesday, and in 2 days, Doug will start his 3/8 trap class. Everybody here in the room, if you look up about 4 or 5 traders there, you'll see the link to register for that. It is starting to fill up. You don't want to miss a spot if you do want it, so you might want to jump on that. And for anybody watching this recording, not to worry if you're not here for the live show. Well, we are recording it for you. Okay, let's get started. Speaking of 3/8 traps, and the class that Doug will be teaching this Thursday, the SPY right now is in a 3/8 trap right here. A little higher move. Let me go grab my pencil here. Pencil. There we go. A little higher move would be a breakout of a 3/8 trap. If we start breaking a little bit lower, that's going to be a breakdown from a 3/8 trap, and that would mean that the sellers are taking control. So right now, if you want to be bullish, what we need to see is price action pop out of that 3/8 trap. Be very clear to see. And if you want to see bearish, you need to see it pop down out of that 3/8 trap. So that's what I'm going to be watching today, and thinking about what Doug might want to say about that. I've got a few other charts to look at here. Let's look at DLTR. DLTR is a 3/8 trap yesterday. Now, we've got a nice little rounded bottom here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful candlestick rounded bottom that started to lift up. Yesterday, the day before that, even here and even here, maybe at one point right through here. This could have been bought as a 3/8 trap. And now we're curling up. We're starting to get a trending 3/8 trap. Me personally, the perfect place to have entered it would have been yesterday. I just don't typically enter on dojis, but this thing is really starting to work, and I know a handful of members here at Hit Run Candlesticks that did get into it. So congratulations to you guys for taking a chart, making it work here. So 3/8 trap, boom, now we're moving up. We're moving away from the 3/8 trap to the upside, so we're moving in that bullish direction. Looking forward to see how that turns out, and looking for all the numbers that you guys post, what you made on that. So good job with that. GE, this is one I'm in. I'm still short this, and this is also a 3/8 trap setting up that has set up. Yesterday was a 3/8 trap. The day before that, it was a 3/8 trap. I'm going to say it's a 3/8 trap now. I just have my 3 turned around. In fact, I'm just going to delete my 3. I didn't have it set for the shorting side. But here we are below the T-line, and the T-line is below the trend indicator. So one of the things that I think that makes the 3/8 trap so good is that we'll use GE as an example. GE's trending down, and then what we're going to look for is price to come down, move back up near the 3/8 trap. That's where you trap price, and you just hang on to it when it falls. When it comes back up, that gives another 3/8 trap to buy or to short again, and you hang on to it while it falls, just like that. So right now, it's a 3/8 trap because it's come back up toward the T-line here. Tesla is a 3/8 trap now. Not a big trend moving down yet. However, it could get started. Price is below the trend indicator, and price is below the T-line, and price is within the correct distance to be a bearish 3/8 trap here. So if we start to see this price fall out of the 3/8 trap, that would be a sign that it's ready to be shorted, and it may be ready to move down. So watching for that. The only way Tesla could be bullish for me is it would have to completely turn around and pretty much close up over 259.07. Right now, the way it's shaped, the way today's hanging in there, pretty much below what 249.85 would be a short. Oh, and Rickster's warning that Tesla earnings tomorrow. Thank you, Rickster. Appreciate it. SE. A few people in the trading room, I can't remember, did I buy that? SE. No, I didn't, but a few people bought this in the trading room yesterday. Congratulations. What we've got here is a rounded bottom breakout, near and dear to my heart. And here we have a 3/8 trap, near and dear to my heart. Excellent chart, folks. I'm going to wish I was in it with you guys. Working out great. Price is over the T-line. T-line is over the trend indicator. Everything is over the 50-period moving average. We're on target to reach up to about $56 and then reevaluate up toward that level right there. Nice chart. Excellent. So, price jumped up, settled back down. That gave us that 3/8 trap. This would have been a 3/8 trap in this area right here as well on this SE. BROS, trending 3/8 trap. I think that is about the neatest strategy one can have in your toolbox. So you've got a trend, and then you have a 3/8 trap. This was a 3/8 trap right here. I tend not to buy the bearish candles. I want to see bulls in there. So that wouldn't personally be a buy for me, but it is for many people. That would have been a perfect 3/8 trap. We pop right up. Now we're settling down. This could be my world for a 3/8 trap right here. And you can see that we're trending. We're trending based on the trend indicator. So a trending 3/8 trap. Etsy, what's that looking like? Look how Etsy's starting to come up. We've got a nice rounded bottom. Not everything is about a 3/8 trap, folks. We've got a nice rounded bottom. And not everything is about a nice rounded bottom either. We've got a nice rounded bottom. You can see it's starting to curl up here. Nice bullish candle. Not everything is about a nice bullish candle. But what you do is you put all those things together and you got yourself a nice little package. Nice 3/8 trap. The package is starting to come together. And now we wait for that entry. Entry for some folks are going to be smack dab market opens. Beam, bomb, boom, bing. There you go. Pow. Enter. Other folks might wait for that breakout up here of the 50-period moving average. Entry is just a negotiation between trader and trader or chart. Actually, between trader and the same trader is entry negotiation. Etsy's setting up very, very nice. Got a lot going for it. I'll be shopping for this one. Hard. Whether I buy it today, I don't know. Might be tomorrow. I don't know. Might be the next day. I don't know. I'm going to wait for the best setup. Right now, today is not the perfect setup for me personally, but it doesn't mean that it might be a buy right here for somebody. It does look good. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at OSTK. Look how OSTK, we did a morning star signal, and now we've got an inside day. This is a 3/8 trap. The only thing I would like better here is I would like the T-line to be above the trend indicator. So T-line above, that would make it better. If price starts to move up, it's going to drag the T-line with it, and that's going to work out just fine. And then it may come up and give us a little rest. Because the T-line is not through the trend indicator, price can only go so far, and you'll get nailed like a short leash. It'll get shot back down a little bit, but it may get. What'll happen is it may drive the T-line enough so that that pullback becomes a great little entry right in there. Bottom line, we see these tops right here. I'm going to take that very seriously for a buy, 1770. That would trigger a buy in there. So we'll be looking at that one. So nice little 3/8 trap. Now this is before the trend has actually started here. This one is before the trend actually started. Yeah. All right, folks. Did we look at the SPY? I'm not sure we did. Yeah, we did. Let's look at the Qs and we're going to call it a morning. The Qs here, they're still playing around with this downtrend line. Still playing around there. Here's the trend indicator holding us up. I think what we can do is draw a line under that. There's your playground. We are soon going to break out or break down. We do have a few more days. It could go sideways, but you know, if you've been doing this any length of time, then you know that we can only go sideways for so long before it either gives up and heads to the downside or pop to the upside. I see Jack here in the room says SMH gapping down. Yeah, that's pulling down a little bit. That's not cool. Thanks, Jack. So what we've got here, it won't show up like this when the market opens up, but pre-market, this is a doji continuation pattern, or an Oreo cookie is what we'll call this in the room. This candle will be black. Like I say, it just won't show up all like that. It'll show up down here, moving down. So little trend line, it's going to need to stop there and come back up. Otherwise, SMH could give us a problem. So we'll watch that. Thanks for the heads up, Jack. I appreciate it. All righty. Time for me to go fill my cup of coffee. We'll see everybody at the bottom of the hour. Open this market up. Let's trade smart today, okay? Take care, everyone.